This is an 8-string 12-row repeat pattern which has 5 strings for the background colour and 3 strings to make the paw prints. So what you want to do is lay it out like this. So you want your background colour, paw print colour, background colour, paw print colour, background colour, paw print colour, and then 2 background colours. So for your first row you want to do 3 forward backward knots. And then a forward knot. For your second row you want to avoid using the first and last threads, and you want to start with thread 2 and 3 and you want to do a backward knot. And then you want to do a backward forward knot. And then you want to do a backward forward knot again. For your third row you want to do 2 backward knots. And then a backward forward knot. And then a forward knot. For your fourth row, again avoiding the outside threads, you want to start with thread 2 and 3 and do a forward knot. And then a backward knot. And then another backward knot. For your fifth row, you want to do a backward forward knot. A backward knot. A backward forward knot. And a forward backward knot. For your sixth row, avoiding your first thread, you want to do a backward knot. Another backward knot. And a forward knot. For your seventh row, you want to do 2 backward knots. A backward forward knot. And a forward knot. For your 8th row, again avoiding reverse thread, you want to do a backward forward knot, and then a forward backward knot, and then another forward backward knot. For your 9th row, you want to do 2 forward knots, and then a backward forward knot, and then a backward knot. For row 10, skipping the first thread, you want to do a forward knot, and then 2 backward knots. For your 11th row, you want to do a forward backward knot, a forward knot, a backward forward knot, and another backward forward knot. For your 12th row, again skipping the first thread, you want to do a backward forward knot, a forward knot, and another forward knot. So once you've done those 12 rows, you'll see your first paw print has shown up. So what you want to do is go back to row 1 and keep repeating rows 1 to 12 all the way down until you got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. And you should end up with something that looks like this. Now I've just finished mine off with simple braided tie on ends, but you could finish yours however you preferred.